Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex, and today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Instagram. There are two ways, because if you link your account, the Facebook and Instagram to the same, will be a headache, but I'll show you two ways exactly for this reason. So let's open the Instagram app, and right inside we'll have to reach our profile picture by tapping this icon on the bottom right. And the easiest way will be just to press on edit profile, then you can edit your name from here. But if you link your account, your Facebook account, to the Instagram, now if you'll press on the username or the name, maybe a Facebook pop-up should come and you should log in. But the second way and the easiest, if you link those accounts to one each other, will be once you'll be on your profile, press on these three lines, and now let's press on settings and privacy, and from here you should locate account center, which is this one. Let's hit that, and you should see your profile. Let's press on this, and again on your profile, and from here you should press on name, and you can edit your name. But I will cancel it. Damn it. This will be the second way and the easiest if you link your accounts. And now make sure you put your name correct, because if you change your name, you can't change it again for the next 30-day period. So make sure you want to keep this name, because for the next 30 days you won't be able to change the name again. So that was the tutorial how to change your name on Instagram. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment down below in the comment section if you have any questions. Have a great day.